Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of describing the volume of a cylinder. This is standard 8.6a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 15 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a silo. It's shaped like a cylinder used to store grain, and the diameter of the particular silo is, we've got it 6.5 meters right here. Remember, the diameter goes side to side across a circle, and it goes always through the center. And then the height is 12 meters. So we're looking for the volume, but we don't necessarily want the actual volume. We're looking for the equation that can be used to find the volume. And so it seems like it's pretty straightforward. We've got the picture. We've got two different measurements. So let's see what we get here when we look at our mathematics chart. And we're going to see this, V equals BH. Now here's the thing. It's going to say it's either for a cylinder or it's going to work for a prism as well. So a cube, rectangular prism, triangular prism, hexagonal prism. Either one, you're going to get V equals BH. And the H is pretty simple, right? This H equals the height. And they give us the height right here, 12 meters. So in this case, that's pretty simple, 12 meters. The problem, or the tricky part, equals the base. So the B equals the base, and actually it equals the area of the base. And that's the one kind of tricky thing, is it just says base, but we're actually looking for the area of the base. So the base here is going to be this circle. So I'm going to kind of shade this in. Whenever you're looking for the base, you're looking for the area of that base. So if it's a prism, if it's a triangular prism, you need to find the area of a triangle. Or if it's a hexagonal prism, you need to find the area of the hexagon. In this case, we're looking for the area of a circle. So how do we find the area of this circle? Well, if we go back to our mathematics chart, so I'm going to kind of extend this because we're still looking at B. So it's going to be pi r squared. That is our area of a circle, and this pi is just, remember, a representation of that ratio of the circumference over the diameter. It's about 3.14, but we don't actually need it because, as you can see, right, we've got just that pi. It's not going to be translated into a number form. We don't need to actually calculate this. So we come down to all of this. We're just looking for the radius. But you know what? They don't give us the radius. They give us the diameter, and they give us the height. So that's where the work comes in. It's not very difficult, but we have to know that's where our work comes in. So what is the diameter? Well, and what is the radius? The diameter goes all the way across here. The radius equals half the diameter, or the diameter over 2. Right? You can say it either way. You take your diameter and you cut it in half, and that gets you your radius. So if I were to kind of draw this other base down here, we got 6.5 meters, right? The radius would be from the center out to the side. So we just need to take our 6.5, cut it in half, and that's going to be about 3.25, or 3 1/4. So now we got to take this, plug it back into here. So that's going to equal pi times 3.25 squared. So that's my base. But now I got to take that and plug it back into there. So volume equals pi 3.25 squared. Now I got to bring in my height, which is times 12. So you're putting all that together, you are going to get your answer, A.